Hi, and welcome to FlameStop TV. In this episode, we're going to talk about the Vigilant QE20 EWIS system, which is the latest addition of emergency warning system to our range.
The QE20 is approved to the latest standards and has lots of new enhanced technology. It is the next generation step from the well-renowned QE90 panels, which was originally introduced into the market back in 1990.
The digital amplifier technology in a QE20 is designed to facilitate the orderly evacuation of a building in the event of an emergency. The QE20 has a choice of 25, 60, 120 and 240 watt digital amplifiers. Multiple amplifiers may be allocated to individual zones for greater power.
The amplifiers are modular and take up less space inside the cabinets. The new high-efficiency Class D amplifiers minimise heating in the cabinet and provide greater density, therefore reducing system costs.
40U and 28U cabinet sizes are available for QE20 systems. Up to 600 zones can be programmed internally on a QE20. You've got the ability to control up to 224 evacuation zones on just one panel and over multiple cabinets. The QE20 is the logical choice when it comes to mass evacuation. The system is expandable to a 64-node network, making it ideal for any of the largest sites throughout Australia. Networking can be over copper, fibre or using IP technology for voice and data.
Additional tones and complex speech messages can be added per zone or grouped into multiple zones to provide better guidance to building occupants in the event of an emergency. The storage capacity on a QE20 for customised messages is massive. You can have up to 250 messages with up to 30 seconds per message. You can also play any message to any zone output. The total message storage is 120 minutes.
The messages can be activated automatically via software or manually via the 8 user programmable keys or through separate inputs on the QE20 system. Customised voice messages can be provided on alert, in addition to evacuate and in multiple languages. Messages on multiple zones can be played at the same time and be used for various applications such as site lockdowns, bomb threats, testing, fire drills, or Ben's favourite, a sound when the coffee truck arrives.
The QE20 allows wardens or emergency services personnel to easily control and coordinate rapid building evacuation. The operator controls and indications on the front fascia are grouped into 5 main functional areas.
The colour touchscreen LCD interface provides a number of servicing functions such as viewing the history log, amplifier volume adjustment, load measurement, power output and line monitoring status. Evacuation zones, warden phones, controls and customisable user buttons. The practical layout of the system allows for ease of operation and maintenance.
The LED indicators show the current status of each zone with easy to use robust push button controls. Under non-emergency conditions, the QE20 can also be used to distribute background music or routine public address announcements through a paging console.
There is also a PC-based paging console which may be added if remote paging is required. The QE20 uses a Windows-based programming tool which is easy to use and highly flexible. Fire technicians have the ability to connect up to a QE20 using a micro USB lead to make programming changes, should the site configuration need editing.
For high-rise and other special types of buildings, the QE20 offers an automatic evacuation phasing sequence.
There is a great simulator sequence tool built into the configuration software. This allows you to program the system as per the requirements of the job and test its functionality prior to implementation and commissioning at the site.
The QE20 supports a high-level interface to the Vigilant MX1 addressable fire alarm systems also provided by FlameStop. Low-level relay interfaces are still available for connecting the QE20 to other brands of fire detection systems. But with the smart algorithms and the MX smoke detectors for reducing nuisance alarms, the Vigilant MX1 fire panel is the way to go.
Presently, there are thousands of EWIS systems installed across Australia, which are really old and components may be starting to fail. With the warning system being such a critical part of a system, it's important to talk to your customers about their migration path moving forward. The QE20 uses the same end-of-line resistor values as the previous QE90 model for its whips, BGAs and visual alarm device outputs. This is just another great feature of the QE20 system, making it perfect for retrofit installations.
The installers love the mechanics of the QE20. The modular construction allows cards to be placed in any position on the module mounting frame for easier site expansion or upgrades. The field wiring connects to modules via removable connectors for easy termination and module testing or swap out.
The QE20 is ideal for hospitals, nursing homes, shopping centres, apartment complexes, Defence Force sites, industrial warehouses, tunnel networks and schools and universities.
We offer online training courses and technical support to our customers on the QE20 systems we provide. The upcoming courses we have can be found in the training section of our website.
Well, that concludes another FlameStop TV episode for today. We'll see you again next time. Bye for now.